it's Jeff at RV Diagnostics. I'm going to show you about airflow through an air-cooled generator. Alright, so I'll flip this around. I got a little air meter for you too. There we go. This is where the air gets drawn in, cold air. Got 12 cubic feet a minute. It's about 71 degrees if you can see it. Alright, now I'm going to go to where the exhaust is, right here. That's the exhaust. Let me get it a little bit blue up here. You already see it going up to 83 degrees, 84 at 4 miles an hour. Or meters per second, alright? Right here. Now I'm going to put you on. I'm going to put you on pause. Okay? I'm going to take the air box off up here, the cover. And I'm going to show you the difference in the airflow. Alright, but that part I just showed you with the air intake, weeds get up in there. You got to take that down, clean it. A little bit of a difference. Part I'm taking that I would take down is right here. All these screws, 1/4 inch, 5/16. I'm gonna take that down and clean all that up. I got the cover off. All right, so we did a service on this. We did oil change, we did a fuel filter, we did spark plugs, all that good stuff. I just want to show you some airflow with the meter and all. And if you have the Onan QG quiet generator, which is gas, quiet gas, 5.5K or on up, you have to watch the airflow. All right, since it ain't that noisy, I'll get under there and show you again. All right. Let me see here. I'm laying down again. Right there. So there's the oil filter, right? There's where the oil drained out of. There's your PCV fresh air sucking in for the air filter. All right. Here is the air intake. Well, this plate right there has to come down. You got to clean it out. All right. Because debris gets up in there. All right. So there you go. Real quick video. All right. And this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics laying down on the job again. All right, thank you very much. Remember, what is the motto, folks? Come on now. You all know by now. You're right. Test, not guess. And also, don't forget the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics Troubleshooting. It just went over 22,000 members. Thank every one of you. Don't forget the website where I do one-on-one with you. That's www.rvdiagnostics.com, and that's going up to $150 a year. That's a little bit more than $12 a month, but still, folks, you get me in your back pocket. You got to go to the YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics, and look at the, what's it called, testimonial videos. Hundreds of people have joined, and they're satisfied and happy. Heck, the first time you used me, that's $150. That's what I used to charge just to show up, $120 to $150. Then I charge you labor per hour. Well, what's more important than that is you're going to learn your RV backwards and forwards, and you'll need me less and less, and you'll need them less and less, and you won't have to drop your RV off for 3 or 4 months at a time. All right, thank you once again. Remember, test, not guess. What's the other motto? Safe travels, and may your campfire burn bright. Till the next video or the next time I see you on the road. Thank you.